Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn about Role Authorization Program in Unit Process. This program would allow which users to be assigned into specific functions in the system. On top of the program, there is Toolbar panel. This inquiry button is to show the data from the selected screen classification. Save button to save the changes. Event Privilege to jump to Role Event Privilege program. An exceptional user privilege to jump into User Authorization Program. The screen is divided into two parts. The left side is for the screen classification, while on the right side, we have inquiry condition and the working space to show the options. Choose one module you would like to assign. Click one of the subcategories. The table shown on the right side will give you information of the screen names and general role. The general roles contains the function of administrator, initial setting, HR, payroll, and etc. The screen we would like to check right now is the journal approval or cancel. The authorized users who may utilize the screen programs are administrator, accounting, and finance. Now, let's have a look if we change the condition on the checklist table. Let's say the one who will change the screen would be only the administrator. After we uncheck the accounting and finance, click Save. Check the difference before and after the checklist. It means accounting and finance roles cannot have the access to journal approval or cancel. Now, let's see the function in inquiry condition for more details on the searching. Module, process, and group are quote help, which means you may enter the first few characters and the system will bring you to the closest results. While the program field here is free text, enter the screen name and the program will search it for you. For example, we are going to search journal entry. Click Inquiry. The system will show you all the screen names related to the journal entry. And that's the final for Role Authorization Unit Process. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.